Okay, so I'll let you translate. So 6. That's inside. The next one we learn is crossbar. And then the other one is again. You see this one, you can figure it out. Yeah, close.
So how do I grab the
Yeah, so if, right, then you step back, then you rotate. Rotate. In there.
and then you give it bigger.
Yeah, and then from right here, there. That's it. So I'm going from here, see, because it's going out, the energy's going out. So once you make contact with there, and then there, now it's done. There we go. Yeah. Because you don't release it, you kind of keep contact with it. So, yeah. So the idea here with the knife, unlike the gun, as soon as you make contact, you don't pause. You just try to, and you don't want to put a lot like you're doing with the camera. You catch it, feel it, and then as soon as you pull, make that move. There. Okay, so now 7. So the first one you learn is the sweep. Right? Very easy. Nothing fancy. And then next one is the 5-1-7, which that's going to be easy as well. But I'll let you figure this one out.
So you just step
Yeah.
right away,
Yeah.
and then go somewhere here.
No. Now, you go from here, see, down. So we're here, and then from right here, this follows the same. Yeah.
So you would not go down there to the,
No, not
because you're
in-
already in.
Yeah, you're just trying to follow the same as 5-1-7, and then but once you're in this position, now you just do the same. It ends up the same. Whereas, right, 5-1-7 is where you go.
But also I could imagine that you will stick with it if you're just following this line, not taking out and go.
Yeah.
You want to go to the
Yeah, that's on the next.
because you don't want to leave if you're already in here. Follow them.
Well, this here, yeah, that's next step. Here, we're just here, pull, and then we go forward. Yeah, it's like, if I'm gonna do what you say, here's the, yeah, then that's, that, now we're moving away from what we're doing here. So, yeah, but yeah, if you're thinking ahead, yeah, that's the kind of idea you're thinking here. But the student that you're teaching, you don't want to tell them anything. Just, okay, just do like this, and then, grab, down. Because that's the 5-1-7. So now, the next one is inside, outside. So just go slow, just think. how you're gonna go. Now, so obviously you can just go this one. We're trying to utilize practice of what you did in the tanks. There it is, this picture. So that's it's close. So okay. See how my footwork right away like this. Okay. Now I can grab it. As I grab it, see, then this is where I drop down. So grab it to here. So I made a cut. I got the cut, but now I'm doing the slice. So what you did was close, and it's right there. You have the idea. But we just added the details.
It has a lot to do with the downward energy.
But don't forget that this position, and then you should feel this. So that's what I need to feel. There we go. That's it. Good. Good. And then now 8. Right? So first one is the pass. That should be easy. Just like 4, so it's not just higher. That's why really we usually just stop at 7, but just because it's different levels, it's okay. You can add it in. Most important is when you do this is make sure you get that side position. Because I'm actually trying to reach you. Then goes the next one, goes across.
So this has to be the same. Am I grabbing here or here?
Yeah. Because you don't want to be in the way of your blade. The blade's going this way. And downward. So when I feel my hand is coming here, there you go. Because if you let me keep level and pull it like this, you give me a chance. This not only pulls away from you, it's actually angling away. When you go down, you're going away from you. The other thing that is a benefit, it just automatically happens. So you always want to see that head move. Anytime you delete, it's always pulling down, not pulling side. So then, the last one is deflection.
Before we do this, the 8, can you do it just once for me? Because I want to see something from the hand.
The crossbar?
Yes.
Yeah. So then,
Okay.
so now deflection, which should be pretty apparent. Same idea. Once you get the block here and then grab and down. always grab. See, because it's higher. Because again, on deflection, so this leg is going to be in plane. So you do that deflection there. See? Now clear here, and then that's where. Here. There. See, this is, you know, this is what I need to